In this video I will show you how to make Crying Tiger at home. Crying Tiger in Thailand is a dish where grilled beef is served with a dipping sauce. It's one of the best ways to eat a steak. A legend says that this Thai dish is so good that it would make a tiger cry. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. Use a meat tenderizer or a fork on both sides of the beef skirt steak. Add garlic powder. Add Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. Add fish sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add coconut sugar. Add olive oil. Coat the steaks with the sauce mixture. Add ground black pepper. Let them marinate for at least 15 to 20 minutes or overnight. Let's make dipping sauce. Add fish sauce. Add coconut sugar. Add tamarind concentrate. Mix well. Add lime juice. Add toasted rice powder. Mix well. Add dried crushed red pepper flakes. Add finely chopped shallots. Add finely chopped fresh cilantro. Add finely chopped spring onion. Mix well, set aside. On medium heat in a hot grill pan, place the beef steak. Grill until both sides are done. Turn off the heat. Set aside and let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Bring the beef to a cutting board. Thinly slice the beef. Remove to a plate. Serve with Thai steak dipping sauce. Check out the ingredient in the subscription below the video. What would you like to see in the next video? Leave a comment below. New videos uploaded weekly, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button.